Hey, to activate Hey Google on the Redmi 14C, first of all, you will have to open the Google application. Now, you will have to go for right upper corner. Then you have to go for settings and move for Google Assistant. Now go for Hey Google and the voice match and simply click on the switcher to turn on the Hey Google. Now scroll all the way down, click I agree, click one more time right here, and in my case it's ready because I was already using this Google account for other devices. But you will have to actually say Hey Google for like few times until you fulfill the circle that will pops right here. And then you can click next and let's check if it works. Hey Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Okay Google. Okay, as you can see, in my case it's not working properly. I'm not sure why, but as you can see, I just simply turn it on. Maybe when we click right here, we have to accept some kind of other stuff. Hey Google. Okay, it's not working properly. So tell me if you have the same issue with your phone. But I'm gonna actually go right here and check for some other settings. Okay, it's actually turned it on. Okay Google, hey Google. Nothing is working. I'm gonna actually also check for this English. Yeah, there's the English lock screen. It doesn't actually matter. In the general settings, it's also everything is turned on. The preferred input is actually with the voice. So maybe after restarting the device it will actually start working, but currently it's not working for me. Tell me if you have the same issue and see you in the next one.